Choose to rent. Advancing events through technology.
The Nighthawk LTE mobile router lets you create a Wi-Fi access point in any location with cellular network coverage, allowing wireless network access to your rental iPads, laptops, and printers. Equipped with a USB Type-A port, USB Type-C port, and a LAN/WAN Ethernet port, making it accessible for most device connections. It features one power button on top of the router, which is also used to cycle through the different options menus of the device. The Nighthawk router can receive power from a few different sources, including a wall socket using an AC adapter and USB cable, from the rechargeable battery integrated with the Nighthawk wireless router. And optionally, the Nighthawk router can be connected to an external battery as a mobile charging solution. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. The router will take about 20 seconds to boot. Connect printers to the Nighthawk router using an Ethernet cable, giving the printer access to the wireless network. Allow up to a minute for the printer to establish a connection with the Nighthawk router. Connect your rental laptop and iPad to the wireless network name found on the wireless router. Once the connection is made, you're all set to configure your registration software. The Extreme Pro 5-port Ethernet adapter included in your Nighthawk mobile router rental gives you 3 additional Ethernet ports when connecting multiple devices to the wireless network is necessary. Using the micro USB to USB cable, connect the adapter to the router, powering the adapter. Using the included retractable Ethernet cables, connect your devices to the adapter, giving multiple devices access to the wireless network.